Yeah, so good afternoon, everybody. We are from InstaSafe. My name is Sandeep Kumar Panda, and my colleague Deepak is with me to today present about InstaSafe. We started about 15 months ago in 2012 with about 50 plus years of experience in security and networking. And what we're trying to do is try to be the Salesforce of secure access, the cloud security. We're providing today secure remote access in a simple, elastic to corporate users to access the enterprise data applications from anywhere. The team, we have a combination of business and technical experience. Ravi, Biju, Deepak bring deep domain experience in security and networking at companies like Tasman, Nortel, Avaya, both in India and US. I bring deep domain business experience at companies like Nivalis, Blue Code, Symantec, and Wipro. So we are about 8 of us, and we're supported by iValue, Mr. Sriram, and Marcus in US and Chicago. So the challenge, fundamentally what is happening is today, smartphones, phablets are all exploding. Businesses are getting expanding. Now the big problem is, how do you ensure that they stay connected to their corporate applications in seamless, secure way, without expensing a lot of technical manpower, tons of gears in hardware form, and then obviously technical expertise. So traditionally, solutions like VPNs, MPLSs have been existing, both in appliance formats to solve this problem. They're expensive, complicated to deploy and manage. So what we are trying to do is a completely new way to solve this problem. So what you do is sign up at InstaSafe, download the InstaSafe Secure Agent. This tunnel shoots a SSL tunnel from your device. It could be a laptop, a tablet, a smartphone to the cloud security gateway. Now, this cloud security gateway is spread across Amazon AWS in Singapore, Tata Institute of Computing in Hyderabad and Mumbai, and Windows Azure in Hong Kong. And this is a fully redundant cloud service, so customers don't have to depend if one data center goes down, what happens next. Second is, a similar agent is shot from the private data center, and it connects to the InstaSafe cloud delivery platform. Similarly, anybody with a branch office, remote users, home users, remote offices can connect to the InstaSafe Secure Access and stay connected to their corporate applications. It could be ERP, HRMs, CRMs, any of that, both at public or private data centers. So fundamentally what we can do is now today, get remote access, disaster recovery, have remote printing enabled, remote server support, and all of that. So going forward, this plan is, using InstaSafe, people can secure access to their corporate applications, even have access to content filtering in terms of malware scanning, DNS blacklist, and basically access to safe content without any phishing or hacking attacks, both for public clouds as well as private clouds. Access the control, VPN settings, endpoint security, and all of that. Some customer cases that we have been working the last 6 months, we've started going out to the market in June, and then after that have about DTDC. They replaced us with Fortinet, or rather we replaced Fortinet for about 300 plus locations for all of their ERP access and Oracle access. Similarly, Sangeeta Mobiles, more than 200 stores connect to their APX ERP billing through InstaSafe. Database is an interesting case study. They have got their data spread across their price comparison site at 3 public data centers. Now they cannot put appliances in the cloud. So they were struggling with that using combination of SSH and variety of other manual methods. Operational issues. So when they came to us, they installed InstaSafe agents in all the 3 clouds in their offices and are seamlessly connected. So value proposition, simplicity is the primary value proposition, works with existing technology. You don't have to throw away your existing gear. Elastic, people go up, like Sangeeta stores go up, but they want to close down some stores. They can be simple, they don't have to manage any appliances, and centralized management, reduce total cost of ownership. The market estimates, so cloud security is a pretty evolving market, and what is happening is, there are tons of things happening both at the access level, encryption level, and web security level. Essentially, it's about a $4 to $5 billion market. And the competitive scenario, first is appliance markets, second is cloud-based vendors, couple of them in US, and MSPs, managed security providers. So we intend to work with MSPs, and we are a cloud security vendor. Entry barriers are the proprietary nature of our distributed cloud security service. The business model is simple. We charge about $100 per user per year. That doesn't matter how many devices he uses today, and we're expecting a long-term value of 3 years. Market verticals could be anywhere from any logistics, supply chain, financial services, retail, or ITS. The go-to-market is simple today. So what we are doing is, currently we're going and selling directly through word of mouth, but going forward through MSPs, managed security providers. Like today we have Axel Frontline, and then through the online marketplaces like Google Marketplace, AWS Marketplace, all infrastructure marketplaces, and Spiceworks in US. Current market traction in the last 6 months, we've been able to have about 10 enterprise customers. In the pipeline, we have Madura Garments, the POC is going on, Hero Motors with supply chains, dealer networks, C&F agents, and our partners today are Logix, NextGen, AWS, and Tata Communications. Market traction currently is about 1 lakh rupees per user per month, total per month MRR, and we have about 700 end users using our system. Frost & Sullivan Analyst Recognition Award we have got recently, and the current revenue for the goal for this year is about 40 lakhs. Why use InstaSafe? Yes, cost effective, simplicity, flexible, scalability, and obviously security. So that's how we are disrupting this market with a compelling value, simple to use, a large experienced team to build it, and obviously huge market opportunity across the globe. And yeah, instant security and control. Thank you so much.
Judges, over to you.
Competition, who is the competition?
Yep, so head-on competition is a couple of similar cloud security providers starting up in the US the last 1 year, 1.5 years. Traditionally, we're replacing vendors like MPLS or against appliance vendors like Fortinet, SonicWall, or Cisco.
Any other observations, tips for the company?
If a company already has a established VPN solution, can this interoperate with?
Yeah, that's what DTDC exactly did. So they had Fortinet, it interoperated with all the new sites that are coming up.
Any other questions, judges? Ladies and gentlemen, InstaSafe, put your hands together for them, please.